If you had a money producing machine, what are you doing to take care of it? Would you make certain that it doesn't get wet? Would you make certain that it doesn't break? Would you make certain that it is in a place that is safe, that it is protected, and that it can grow and produce more for you? I'm sure you would. You see, that machine that produces money is similar to you. And what are you doing to protect yourself? Because God forbid tomorrow you can't work. God forbid you can't work for the next 10 years. What are you doing for these circumstances? Do you have a plan? Do you have a financial method of a backup source for emergency funds? If you don't have a plan, if you don't have a plan that to take care of your family's needs, God forbid something happens, well, guess what? I've got a plan for you. I know how to get you to be protected, to be safe, where your money can grow, and it can work for you in case of an emergency. If you need a plan like this, why don't you contact me, Daviddiazlife, your financial coach, getting you and your life better every day and every way. Blessings.